Howdy folks, welcome back to another video from Average Joe's Construction. Today we're going to be taking a look at this little shack shed thing that I took care of here. I'll post some pictures up there. As you can see, this is where I'm at right now. It didn't have a roof. Well, it had a roof, but it got ruined. So this is all new stuff here. You can see I redid all the rafters, plywood, fascia, drip edge, and now I'm on the shingles. And here's the inside of it. So not bad for a white guy with tattoos and a bald head, I guess. Pretty good. Then I'm gonna fix these doors. Then I'm gonna be replacing some windows. But I wanted to show you how you start your first row of shingles, because it's really easy. If you do this every time, you'll never have to stress about, you know, how do I get everything even and all that. So all you gotta do is, if I don't fall off the ladder, watch. Almost fell, guys. See what I do for y'all? So after you lay your starter shingles all the way up and then across like that, as you start your first little corner like this, you get the first one square, then you cut 6 inches off the second, then you cut 12, 18. In other words, you keep cutting 6 inches until you get to this little piece, which is the very first one that you cut. It actually ends up going up here. And then like that, you run all the way down. And then you start you another little corner diamond thing again, triangle, and then you go across again and get all the way up, and it'll be perfect all the way up. That's how it's done, folks. So I just wanted to drop that. And you can see my drip edge here, my fascia board. Now I'm gonna be putting some Luan up under there for the soffit. It won't stay open. I'm going to be running the soffit through here and across with some Luan plywood, exterior plywood. And then she's going to get a nice paint job and all that, and it ought to be looking like brand new. So, just figured I'd drop a little video in there. I hadn't made a video in a little while. And there you go, folks. I guess thanks for watching, and tune in next time. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Okay guys, so I'm back on the same job. I was showing y'all the how to lay out the shingles, and now you can see pretty good. So yeah, if you just stick to that little triangle like I showed you guys, and then every time you'll stay square all the way up, man. You know, but you do need to measure the roof and make sure, you know, you're within. If it's way out of square, you're gonna have to make some adjustments probably, but mine was like a ½ an inch out, so it wasn't enough to really worry about. So anyway, I guess I'll pop back in when I get done with some other stuff, but that's how you do the shingles. And thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.